Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video, I will be showing you the solution to the Maclaurin series of e to the power cosine x up to and including the x cubed terms using the formula shown in the top right hand corner of this video. Before I do so, if you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video so that we can push this video up onto the top of the search and more people will get access to the solution. The formula shown in the top right hand corner tells us that a function of x can be expressed as an infinite series in which we will need to find the following. My f0, which is the function evaluating at x equals 0. My f prime 0 is the function differentiated once and evaluating at x equals 0. F double prime 0 is the function differentiated twice and evaluating at x equals 0. And f triple prime 0 is the function differentiated 3 times and evaluating at x equals 0. The first step to solving this problem, we are going to let my fx be equals to e to the power of cosine x. Next, we will find what is my f prime x differentiating fx one time. We will get the following: negative sine x e to the power of cosine x. Following which we will find what is my f double prime x differentiating f prime x one more time. We will apply the product rule of differentiation and get the following. Differentiating negative sine x, we will get negative cosine x, keeping e to the power of cosine x, plus we keep the negative sine x and we differentiate e to the power of cosine x, we get negative sine x e to the power of cosine x. Then we simplify the whole equation, we will get the negative of cosine x e to the power of cosine x plus sine square x e to the power of cosine x. And next we will find what is my f triple prime x. To find my f triple prime x, I will apply the product rule of differentiation to the two terms here. We start with the first term. Evaluating it, we will get the following. We differentiate what is my negative cosine x, we get basically just sine x. And we keep the e to the power of cosine x. The next step we will do is we will keep the negative cosine x and we differentiate e to the power of cosine x, we get negative sine x e to the power of cosine x. Then we evaluate the second term. So we differentiate sine square x, we get 2 sine x cosine x e to the power of cosine x. And then we will keep the sine square x and we differentiate e to the power of cosine x, we get negative sine x e to the power of cosine x. We then simplify the whole equation and we get the following, which is sine x e to the power of cosine x. For the second term is just sine x cosine x e to the power of cosine x plus 2 sine x cosine x e to the power of cosine x, and last but not least we have the negative of sine cube x e to the power of cosine x. We can further simplify the whole answer because my second and the third term we can add them together and we got 3 sine x cosine x e to the power of cosine x, subtracting away sine cube x e to the power of cosine x, and this is the simplified answer for f triple prime x. We next substitute x equals to 0 into the following function fx, f prime x, f double prime x, and f triple prime x. We start with my fx substituting x equals to 0. We get just e to the power of cosine 0, basically just equals to e. So my f0 is e. How about f prime 0? When we substitute x equals to 0 into f prime x, basically just equals to 0 because my sine 0 is 0 and anything times 0 is basically just 0. How about f double prime 0? We substitute x equals to 0 into f double prime x and we evaluate the following. My second term itself is equals to 0 because sine square 0 is equal to 0. As for the first term itself, this is equals to negative cosine 0 e to the power of cosine 0, which is just equals to negative e. So my f double prime 0 is negative e. Last but not least, evaluating what is my f triple prime 0, substituting x equals to 0 into f triple prime x, basically it just equals to 0 because all the terms itself contain sine x. And if I were to multiply anything times sine 0, basically it just equals to 0. Once I find my f0, f prime 0, f double prime 0, and f triple prime 0, I can apply the formula shown in the top right hand corner of this video. My Maclaurin series of e to the power cosine x up to and including the x cubed terms will be approximated to be as follows. My f0 is e, my f prime 0 is 0, so this second term itself basically we don't have. And then as for the third term itself, we have x squared. My f double prime 0 is negative e over 2 factorial. Whereas for the x cubed term itself, we will not have the x cubed term because my f triple prime 0 is equals to 0. So basically we just have the final answer e to the power cosine x expressing as the Maclaurin series to be equals to e minus away e over 2x squared. If you guys like the solution, press the thumbs up icon below this video. And do consider to subscribe for more Maclaurin series problems. I'm Bob, thank you guys for your support and watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.